Welcome back, children. Topic of today is scenario manager. So, now let us start. That is a what if analysis tool, the solver and scenario manager. First, I am going to discuss scenario manager. So, let us start. Let us read it from the beginning. The solver uses sophisticated numeric analysis and iterative method to perform trial and error calculation very quickly. Trial and error. The original value of the spreadsheet therefore have to be profound effect on the result of the solver solution. It may be the case that there is no concrete solution to the spreadsheet problem, and the solver may produce a best case within the specified constant. Changing the original value and running the solver again may produce different result, and it may therefore by helpful to save the different scenarios that are produced. So topic is scenario manager. We need best case, worst case, average case, this kind of things we require for a particular condition. Then we may use these particular tools. It may be necessary to save the scenario when constants have either be added, removed or amended. Using Excel Scenario Manager can facilitate this by allowing you to save each new solver solution and compare it previous one. For most spreadsheet problem, the solver and the scenario manager are used together. So I would be using scenario manager, and for that I would be creating this kind of diagram. See this kind of uh, uh, data of employees there, their DA, DNS allowance, HRA, house rent allowance, PF provident fund, and their rate chart are mentioned over there, to which we would be applying different scenario. Now see it practically. I have this data, this one here. DA means dearness allowance, HRA means house rent allowance, PF means provident fund, and the net salary is basic, all the allowances plus deduction. Now the rate chart are mentioned. For DA 85%, for HRA 5%, for PF 12%. Now I am going to apply it over there. All it is a basic of basic. So basic, relative reference, and the rate absolute reference, because rate will be fixed sale. Do it for all. Double click it to the fill handle. HRA basic का 5%. It is a fixed one, absolute address. Basic का 12%, that is provident fund. It is deducted. Basic multiply this sale address. It should be fixed one, dollar and dollar. Now try it. Now what is the formula of net salary? All the allowances, all the income, that is basic we get, DNS allowances we get, house rent allowances we get, PF is deducted from employee salary for their betterment. Minus, now click it. Now, what is the gross money that is paid by the company? Total CTC. Total CTC calculate over here. These are total CTC, total payment. More than it is being paid, but let us stop here. Now Click in any area, go to the data tab, what if analysis, click scenario manager. Now in the scenario manager, I would be adding a scenario. So add. How the changes will be done if there is a change in the rate, that I am going to show you. So scenario 1, it is average or average case. The sale, the value, the changing sale are this one. The rate are fixed, okay. Add it. Add another one. The higher salary, higher range. Give, what would happen if I give employee as 95% of the basic or 98% of the basic? If they are given 15% of the basic, if their deduction is 10%, add it. Give another case. Let's lower salary. In the lower salary you give, what if employee assigned 50% of DA, 3% of HRA, 11% of PF. Now make it okay. 3 cases I have. Now anything you want to show, it's easy. Click this one. Click the higher salary. So see, there is a change in the salary. Click the lower salary. See, there is a change in the salary. Lower salary the employee is getting. Click the average salary. So you have multiple cases upon which you can see what would be the effect on the expense if there is a change in the rate chart. Now you can edit anyone. Suppose I want to change the average salary. Okay, from 85 I want to give assign to 90%. So changes has been done. So it, there is change in the average salary. Now suppose you want to delete a particular case. Delete it there. You want to add a new case. You can give the summary also. I want the summary where? Over here. See the rate, change in the rate. What is the average case? What is the higher range? What is the lower range? Everything you can see over here of the mentioned scenario. And come back to that what if analysis, scenario manager. If you want to merge it. There is 3 scenario on the source sheet. No, merging case is not being done. Okay. So this way you can get the analysis of your data. Okay. Thank you, children.